Okay, so welcome to part two of our structural detailing using Stonebridge Company customized structural detailing template, which is a template that is being used for all your structural detailing after your Prota structural design. So in our part one, I showed you guys how to arrange your beams and also to get a perfect layout, a first floor layout, as you can see, and also for your beams, also for your beams details, and also we also put our beam details into sheets. Now on this part two right now, I'll show you how to perform your slab detailing using the Stonebridge template. Now Stonebridge template has two release. Now the first release was 2020 and the second release is 2023. 2023 is the best because it has a lot of features for different kind of buildings. Okay, so our advice, if you're getting, you should get the one on the on you should get the one which is the 2023 release. And if you want the that software, I would say you should check on the link down below and download that. It is not free. It is not free, and also it is not expensive, but it will help you a lot. Okay, so right now I'll be showing you how to perform your slab detailing using the Stonebridge template and also cut our section. So this is basically the part two of how to use the Stonebridge template to perform a structural detailing after you're done with your design in Protastructure. Okay, so right now let's dive in right now. Okay, so for the sake of those people that don't know how we got to this stage, so you can check the link down below and watch the part one of the video. Okay, so let me just go back right now to where we'll have our work before again, where we did our part one. So I'll go right now and then my document folder, and I will now locate the place called Stonebridge template. I can see there, Stonebridge template 2023. So for like forever, this file or this folder must be on document folder for it to function well. The reason is because this software, Protastructure, always also keep their documents or keep their files on document folder. So with that, two of them we now begin to now work hand in hand, or let me say integrate to now give you a perfect detailing. Okay, so right now I will now go here right now and then open this place folder, and then open this place, and then open this our template, which is the Stonebridge template. Okay, as I told you before, it is a customized template that is used after you're done with your Prota structural design. Okay, so right now I'll wait for it to load. It takes some time to load up, so I'll just wait for it to load up right now. Okay, so if you want this template, or let me say you want to watch other videos of how this Stonebridge template works, I would say you check the links down below, or check on our channel Ekidel and watch most of our videos on structural detailing, and then you will see how this template works. Okay, let me just hold on for it to load right now. I don't know, taking time. Okay, okay, that's fine. So right now, as you can see, this is now the template. You can see there, Stonebridge template 2023 release 2.5875847. Yeah, that's nice. And also you can see the name here, Stonebridge Company detailing template catalog. And as you can see the catalogs here, building on part foundation, building on white slip foundation, building on a raft beam raft foundation, and building on a slab raft foundation, and building on pipe foundation, and building on a slab on a strap beam foundation. Okay, so right now we are still on this place, which is the building on part foundation, which I'm showing you how to use that. And when we are done with this, I also show you how to use the this building on white strip foundation to also do your detailing. So if maybe you performed your detailing on the product structure and that building you performed is resting on a part foundation, after you're done with your design to now perform your detailing, I would say you should use this button which says building on part foundation, which we are using. Okay, and then if you also did if your foundation that you did on the design is on white steel foundation, and then you also have to use it. I've already explained this a lot before, so you can watch all our previous video and see how to install this template, and also how to get it, and also how to use it. Okay, so right now we are moving to the part two of where we stopped last time. And this part two is slab detailing. Okay, so right now I'll just go here and then click on this place right now and allow the template to load up. Okay, so this Excel works hand in hand with AutoCAD with any version at all. This template works perfectly with any version of AutoCAD and also any version of Protastructure. Okay, so let me just hold on for it to load up. Okay, so I'll just go here right now and then minimize this right now. Okay, and then open my AutoCAD. Let me see that. Okay, it's still loading up. It's still loading up. Okay, so right now you can now see it here. Okay, let me just close it again and then show you again how we got to this place. So I'll just show you again right now and then minimize this right now. So I'll just open. Let me just make this smaller, not bigger. Sorry. Okay, and then go here. I mean, let me close this one up and then come here right now. Come here. Okay, and just make it this way. I want you to see this other backgrounds. Doesn't let it. Okay, so right now, now go and click on this place right now. We are already working on the part one of this video. So in the part one, we did the first floor layout and beam the beam and also put those beam detailings into the sheets for like printing. Okay, so let me just minimize this. I think it's already opening or it's still opening. I think it's always opening since the file is big. Okay, so you can see it there. Okay, so right now once the template opens, you will see your previous work which you have done before, which in this case this is what we have done before, as you can see. Now, for the people who are coming for the very first time, or who cannot go to the next link to go and check what this template does. Okay, so right now I'll just show you what this template does right now. So I'll just go and open my a file that was done with Protastructure. So I'll just go and navigate and then open a file that was done with Protastructure design. So I'll just go to my document and then navigate the file, the Protastructure data, and then I'll open it right now. This is a classroom building. I'll open it right now and then open expected file from Protastructure and then open it. Let me just open one of the file from Protastructure. So right now, when you're done with your design in Protastructure, this is how all your design appears to be detailing, of which if you go and print it like this, you will see that your drawings will not be able to be visible, and also the software Protastructure doesn't perform a good structural detailing, although they are still trying. So with the help of the Stonebridge template, which is this template here, it helps us now perform a good structural detailing, which will be very, very presentable and also acceptable globally. Okay, so right now, once you're done with your design in Protastructure and you have exported or gotten all your details, as you can see it here, so the only thing you have to do right now is to copy it right now. So copy the file. It's very, very easy. Copy the file and then go copy the file and then open this template, which I've already opened. As you can see, this is the template. So once you open this template, you just have to come here right now and then paste that a copied file into this template. Now, once I paste it here right now, automatically there will be a quick transformation of everything. This template, which is the Stonebridge template, will now automate all the drawings that came from the Protastructure details. So as you can see it here right now, so let me now begin to show you the comparison. So this is the one that came with the software Protastructure, as you can see it here after your design. Now once you paste that drawing into the Stonebridge template, this is what you will see. As you can see it here, that all the text has been transformed and everything has already been transformed. At the end of everything, you will see that your drawing will look exactly like this because you have samples here. As you can see, the column of the Stonebridge template, as you can see it here, very, very nice compared to the one that came with Protastructure. And also you can also see the slab detailing of that also, which I will show you today, which is the slab detailing using this Stonebridge template. Okay, and then you also see the beams, which in our last which in our last part of our video we showed you how to perform this layout, which we did this layout from the very start to the very stage. So if you maybe you missed the video, I would say you should go and watch the video on how to get this perfect layout, as you can see there. And also I also show you how to group your beams. As you can see, we did auto group our beams, and then at the end we got all this, which is the beam, which is the first floor beam details. So we got all this also. Let me just allow it to load. So we got all these too, which I also showed in the video how to bring your beams into this place. So you can now see that this beam right now is looking well presentable compared to what this software gave us, as you can see there. And also, if you go ahead and go and print this one from this Stonebridge template, you will see that your drawings will look very sweet and very presentable, because everything will be very clear. But if you go and print it after you just finish your design and go and print it like this without using the Stonebridge template, you will see that your drawing will be a mess, because you won't be able to see anything at all. Okay, because they're very dark and dense. Okay, so right now, so in our last video, I showed you all this, and then we also created another sheet again for sheet 2 of our beam details, because sheet 1 was not able to contain all the beam drawings. So the sheet we now created additional sheet again, which I showed you in our last video, which is the part 1 of this Stonebridge 2023 release structural detailing template. Okay, so right now I want to show you the slab detailing of of um this place, which of this building, which we are using it to I'm using to show you guys how to perform or how to use this Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now, since I already show you how these things transform, so if maybe you want to know more about Stonebridge template, I would say you should check most of our videos online. You can also go to Google and then Google it, Stonebridge template, and then you will see also the website, and also see how to make your payments and all that. But if maybe in case you are finding it difficult, I'll say you check the link down below and then click on that and make your payment. Or you can also WhatsApp us using our WhatsApp number, which is also on the link down below, and then chat us on WhatsApp, and then we will also guide you and help you on how to get this template. Although it is not free, but I'll tell you that it is not that expensive too. Okay, so I'll just delete this right now, because we already have this just here. Okay, so I will now begin to do my slab detailing right now. So pay very much attention on this slab detailing, because most young engineers find it difficult to perform a good slab detailing and also cut a section. So here on Ekidel, we have said that we are going to teach the younger engineers on how to perform how to perform a full structural design and also structural detailing, which is basically a package to build their career as a structural or a civil engineer. Okay, so right now, to perform your slab detailing, as you can see that we have done, first of all, we are done with the first floor beam and column layout, and then we have also grouped the beam, and then as you can see it here, and also done a perfect beam detailing, which took us less than few minutes to do this in our part 1. And on this part 2, I want to show you the slab detailing of this building. Okay, so right now, to begin your slab detailing right now for this just now, I'll say you should just copy it out, which is your building out, copy it out onto a place like this, and then block it again. After you're done, we'll now bring it back to this place and block it again with a rectangular line, with a rectangle, and then remove all your grid lines. So all your grid lines must be removed on this place, because the reason why I said your grid line must be removed, because on this Stonebridge template, they gave you a sample on how to perform your slab detailing. It is always good to perform your slab detailing manually, so that you'll be able to know the principles on how to go about that. Now, because this Stonebridge template gave us a sample, that makes your work very easy, because you don't have to think any longer how you want your bars to run. Just look at what I'm doing, what I'll do right now on this slab detailing. Okay, so right now I'll just copy it here right now. So on this place also, I'll show you all the guiding principles on how to detail your slab reinforcement perfectly. And after we are done with this slab detailing, we will now enter into column. Column is very sweet, because I'll show you how to group your columns in your project, or let me say in your building design. I'll show you how to group your columns and also how to get your perfect columns just like this. I can see there. So right now, I'll just go right now and then copy this right now and then keep it here. Keep it here first, okay? Now, most of you didn't see the column which I was saying. I will show you guys after this video. So this column detailing will be the part 3 of this video series. So this part 2 is basically for slab. Now, part 3, I will show you all also the rules which are involved in lapping principle, because most of you doesn't know that all this lapping principle in detailing comes with code, and we are using BS code, or we are also using Euro code for all our detailing and also for our design. But if maybe you want a special training, there is what they call AutoCAD mentorship class or training, where I will have to train you specially. Although we are giving discount we are at a discount at the very moment, which is already, we are giving it at a price of $300. So if maybe you want to be trained specially on design and also on detailing using Protastructure, I would say that you can hit us up on WhatsApp or check on our link down below and then go to the place where you see Ekidel mentorship training or class, and then click on the link and make your payment. Or also you can also meet us up also on a WhatsApp, and then we will guide you how to make your payment instrumentally if maybe the price is a bit too way for you. Okay, so right now we now move on to what we have today right now, and then go to our slab detailing just now. Okay, so right now on this slab detailing, as you can see the sample of the slab that they have here, that there are no grid lines that they have on display. As you can see how the slab is very neat, showing the top bar and also the length of the bars or the top bars, okay, which is the main top bar and also the bottom bar and the main, okay. So right now, and also the section, so I'll show you right now how to perform all this. So the first thing to do right now, since the sample is already given to us here, no need for you to think again how your slab detailing is meant to be, because we already have a sample here. So right now, I'll just go ahead right now and then remove all these grid lines here, and also dimension, enter, and also here again, enter, and also here again, and enter. And looking at this place again right now, you can see that there is no test of columns or beams. You can see that right now, because if those tests are there, they will have to conflict. So I have to now right now remove this text also that is inside here and all that. So I can use can just check right now here, and the layer name here is called column label. So I will just go here right now, click here, right click here, and then say quick select here, and then I will now go again right now, layer, and then come here and then select column label, as you can see, column label, okay, and then say okay, and then say enter. Okay, now I'll check again right now, and this says STB25. Okay, go here right now again right now, I click here again right now, and then do this, and then remove click on layer, and then come here and find the layer STB25 and go there right now, STB25, STB test 25. Okay, that's fine, and then say okay, and I'm going to do enter. Okay, so right now you have seen that we have now removed everything that we have, as you can see there. So right now on our slab on our beam layer for this slab detailing is shown like this, but this one is shown like this. The reason why you have to use this particular one is because this samples here has been tested, and they give quality drawing after you are done printing. So always make your this thing looks exactly what is here. So since this color is color 8, as you can see it here, it is called color 8. So right now I'll go here right now, and then come here and select. You can see the layer name here is called STB beams, okay, and also this one also is also called STB beams. So you can see there, but the whole difference here is that this one is on color 8, as you can see it here. So right now I'll just go right now, click on this, go here again, select here, right click, quick select, and then find the STB beams, which is the layer under layer, and find that STB beams, go up, go up, go up, is here. That's fine here, and then say okay, and I'll go here right now and change to color 8, and then come here and say by layer. That's fine. Okay, so with this right now, as you can see it here right now, then I also this name should be changed to slab detailing, because as you can see it here, this is called a slab. I'll just come here right now and click on this place, and then wait for it to load. If I click and then say copy, I can see it here right now. I'll now go here right now again and come here and then say right click and then say paste. Okay, and then Control A and Control U. Control U simply means underline, and then I'll click here and then say here, move it to this place here and keep it here. Okay, so now time right now for us to now start our slab detailing. Okay, so I'll be using manual principles also to show you how to get that. Okay, so I will now come here right now and check out their what's the layer name right now. The layer name for their reinforcement bar is called LNG rebars. Okay, but this place, this template also have their own rebars. So I'll come here right now and say STB, and I'll see STB. You can see here STB rebars. So I'll come here right now, which simply means Stonebridge rebars. So I'll come here right now and choose rebar, because I'm trying to draw all the bottom reinforcement first before the top reinforcement. So I'll come here and choose STB rebars. Okay, so I'll make the rebars now active, that layer active, and come here and choose line, as you can see there right now. Now I will now come here right now. Since I'm trying to draw the bottom reinforcement first, I will now click here right now. Always click here. So I will have to go and check this place. Just divide using a line first to divide this place by 2 to get the to get this middle. I can see there. So this is what the middle is, and then this wall distance is what 225. Okay, 115 by 115, which gives us 230 wall. That's fine. Okay, so I'll now go here right now. So click on this place right now. Since your STB rebars layer is still active, click there and then click here. Okay, and then move to this very end here. Okay, now your maximum length of bar for every slab detailing must not be more than 11.5 meters. Most people go as 12 meters, but I'll say keep yourself 11 meters, 11.5. The reason is because the maximum length of bar is 12 meters. When I mean bar, I mean reinforcement. The maximum length of reinforcement is 12 meters. So it is not good to exceed that. Also, always keep yourself between 11 meters, because there is always a bent up bar back into the slab. So that at least when they bent it up back, when they now calculate the total length of all that of other reinforcement, they will not exceed 12 meters. Okay, so right now, if I check from here right now, from this point to this very point here, you can see that this is just 7.7317 millimeters. Okay, so this is very, very safe because it is less than that 12 meters. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now I will now come here right now and offset my cover, because this place right now is already the beam surface. So I'll have to offset my cover of reinforcement for the slab, which is what 25. So I'll click O, enter, and then type 25, enter, and I'll click here right now and type the 25, and then type TR trim to trim off this place right now. Now on every slab again, I will not type L. L simply means line, and type enter. I still having my steel bar layers right now active, because since I'm drawing my steel bar reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, I'll keep this one active. If I'm done with this right now, now beginning my top reinforcement, I'll go here right now and assign ST, which is the Stonebridge rebar top. Okay, so right now I will now come here right now. Now slab used to have a bent up bar, which bends up back into the slab from the beam. So right now, this first distance here is always 100 in every slab, always 100. So I'll type 100. I'll type 100. Sorry, let me go back right now. So I'll type L, enter, and type 100 here. Click from here, type 100 distance and press enter, and then always bend it up back by 600, because the size of my reinforcement for this slab is 12 millimeter, and the code says that the minimum lap of sorry the code says that minimum lap length should be 50 times d. The d there simply means the diameter of the bar. So since the bar diameter of this one is 12, so 50 times 12, that gives me 600. So that value right now becomes my minimum length and lap length. So I can choose to go to 750 or go to 650, but I like to use 600 just to not to be too expensive, because if you go and use more length of lap length, that means that your building cost will be very, very high during construction. So I'll just keep myself within what the code says, 50 times D as my lap length. So 50 times So 50 right now, QC simply means calculator. So 50 right now, 50, which is from the code, times the diameter, which is 12, that gives me 600. I can see there. So 600 right now becomes my lap length. I'll go here right now and line and enter, and then come here, click here and type 600 and press enter. Okay. So right now, this now becomes my first bent up bar for slab. I can see there. So I'll now come here right now and then remove this line, which I used to offset for cover. I'll enter, and I've gotten my first one here. Okay. So right now, I'll just go right now and then I would have loved to do the same thing here, as you can see there, but since I already have one here, I just come here right now, click on this, say MI, which simply means mirror, enter, and then come here and locate this bar center. Come here and click here, as you can see there right now, and then click up here and then say no. And I'll come here right now and then trim off, and then come here right now, click on this and then move this up out by the cover, which is 25. So 25, cover, enter, and type TR, which simply means trim, and then trim off this right now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we have gotten our first horizontal bar, as you can see it here, which is running from this point to this very point here. So right now, I'll show how this bar is running immediately. So right now, this bar is running from here. So if we check out this sample here, this sample, they are using their call out lines to be this color, which simply means slab wrinkle, as you can see there right now. So I'll come here right now and change to slab wrinkle, which simply is just up here, slab wrinkle, and I'll come again here, I'll type, and I'll come here right now, come here and type L, enter, and I'll come here right now and then click at this place. Sorry, this bar is ending here because there is a change of shape, as you can see there. So this bar will run all the way down from this very button, from this very place here, and our spacing of our reinforcement is 200 from our design. So our steel bar spacing from design is 200. So our slab rebar spacing is 200. So this bar will begin to run from this very beam here, and from this place we now begin to run 200 all the way down, and when it gets to this place, it will stop at this very place here, because after this place there is a change of shape, as you can see there, of this very shape here. So where this stretch shape where this stretch sorry let me where this stretch shape stops is at this very point here. So right now I will have to show how my slab line, how my rebar line is running. So I'll come here right now and then put my cursor here and then go quietly, trace it down here, down here, and then click on this place and then come down to show where it's running and then click here and then go here right now on this place and then choose this place, choose this my layer here, choose this my call out arrow, as you can see there right now, come here and then place it here. Now I will also give cover to this place also. So I'll come here right now, select this right now, enter, and then click on this place and type 25. 25 simply means cover of reinforcement. I'll click enter and I'll type TR, trim, and then trim of this place also. And I'll go again right now, I'll go again right now on this place right now. So since we already have sample, that as I said to you before, you will not have to reason anything again because you already have everything that you have. So come here again right now and copy again CP and then go and copy from here and then go over here right now and then paste it here. So this now, okay, paste this here right now and then go again right now and then copy your bulb. This simply means bar bulb, which is simply means pointing the bar that is running. So I'll go here right now and place this bar here. Now, if this arrow looks too big in your own, you can choose to scale it down. So like now, this call out bulb here simply looks too big because one, this building is small and this sample here was big. So right now, since I've copied it to this place, to this one here, it looks big here. So I'll have to now reduce it right now. So I'll just select it right now and then type SC, which means scale, enter, and then click on the middle here and type 0.5, which means that it should reduce by 0.5 and 5 and then enter. So you can see how that it is now looking okay. That's fine. Okay, so the same thing, if this thing looks bigger, you can just go here and then CSC, enter, and then pick at a point here and then type, let me take this by 0.8. Yeah, scale it down by 0.8 and say enter. Okay, that's fine. So I'll do the same thing here too and enter, and then sorry, come here first, let and say SC, which is scale, enter, and then come here right now, click here and then type 0.8, which is my scale factor, enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now you can now see this thing looks too small. Let me just carry it back to how it was, enter. Now type 2, enter. That's fine. Okay, so right now you have now seen how that this bar, this bar reinforcement is running all the way down from this very point, and our spacing is 200, so it's running all the way down from this very point here and running with, sorry, from this place here right now, and running with 200 all the way down to this very place. So when it gets here, it will stop because there is a change of shape, as you can see it here right now. So it will stop there, and then another bar again will not continue from this very point. So before we do that, I will have to go back right now and type STB and then STB, or S, just type S and then go and choose my STB rebars. Okay, and now go here right now again and type L, enter. L simply means line, and I'll go here right now. Now this bar right now, I'll start from here to like draw it first. I'll draw this bar from this very point here and move all the way down to this very place here. Okay, so I'll move here right now and then keep this one here. Okay, so right now I'll go here and keep this one here. And then what happens is that I'll have to make this bar to be here because this place is a cantilever, as you can see there right now. So I'll first of all come here first and then click on this place and take up my cover backward. I'll type 25. So I'll come here right now. Either I'll offset the line by 25, this wall by 25, and then trim off this one first, and then remove this line immediately and click on line, enter, come here and type my 100, which is my this thing, and then go here and type my lap length, which I've already showed you. Lap length simply means 50 times the diameter of the bar. The diameter of this bar is 12, so 50 times 12 is giving me 600. So that's my minimum lap length. So I want to use that. I'll use that now, 600, and type enter. Okay, that's fine. So I will now check the length of this bar if it is less than 11 meters, which the code says, sorry, 12 meters. Okay, so this is now 9.8, sorry, 9.482, which is perfectly okay. So right now, since this place is a cantilever, as you can see there right now, basically this bar is meant to begin from this point here, because there is also a like a change of shape. As you can see that this place doesn't have a cantilever, this very place here, but here I have a cantilever from this very end. Okay, now this cantilever here is meant to flush directly on this place. Okay, so this was done because that software Protastructure doesn't do directly at the edge here. Okay, so I'll just go here right now and then keep this here. That's fine. Okay, so right now you can see that there's a change of shape again on this place because here has cantilever, but here doesn't have. So the bar will also change. So right now I'll now come here again, click on this right now, mirror mi, and then go and locate the midpoint of this bar, which I think is okay here. So go back again and say mirror mi, enter, and then go and locate it here. Okay, and then go up here and then click and then say no. Okay, and then come here right now, click, select everything here, and then move these two bars back by 25, which is the cover of reinforcement, and then type tr, enter, and then trim here off. Okay, that's fine. So you can now see that we have gotten this right now, and our length of bar is still less than 11 meters or 11.5, as you can see there just now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So right now we will now show also how this bar is running. This bar is running in a very small area. So we will now go here right now and then select the layer slab wrinkle, which is S. I'll go up right now and put here and say slab reinforcement core. Okay, that's fine. L, enter, and then come here right now and then trace this from here all the way down here, because where this bar stops, this bar right now stops here. So where it stops right now, this one now picks it up from there and continue because there's a change of shape. So this one also runs, this one now will now run from this point where it's on stop, and also where its own shape stop and stops there. So right now this one starts from here, this one stops. I'll just take a trace here from here right now, click, and then go here right now, which and also take a trace here, which this bar stops directly at this place because there's a change of shape. I'll click here also and then copy this right now, CP or CO, any of them is the same thing, CP, and then come here and paste it, and then come again here right now and this CP or CO and enter, and then come here right now, copy this, and then come here again right now and then paste it. Okay, and then come here and copy our bulb, which is here, and then call out this bar as you can see there right now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we now go to be very fast. Copy this bar again right now. Copy this bar, CP or CO, any of them can work, and then go up here and keep it here. Now, since we have a cantilever here, as you can see there right now, and cantilever bar is always a top reinforcement and not a bottom reinforcement. So cantilever has a main reinforcement to be top and not bottom. And so since this one is a bottom bar right now, I'll have to stop this one here and then bring in a bottom bar, as you can see what I'm doing right now. Sorry, a top bar. I'll come here right now and choose slab rebar top right now, and then draw from my top reinforcement here, which since this is a cantilever carries its load at the top. So I'll come here right now and then click here first, and then click on this place right now and type 600, which my lapping 600 right now, enter. Okay, now cantilever rules states that lap length of a cantilever should be 2 times of the cantilever length. So if we change this, sorry, let me just trim this back right now, trim off again. So if we check this cantilever length right now, this tells me to be what? To be 914, as you can see there right now. So if I type QC enter calculator and then type 914, let me just check again. If it's 941, let me check again. Cantilever length. Okay, 914. So if I say 914 multiplied by 2, that gives me what? 1828. Okay, so that now becomes my lap length for cantilever, because cantilever length should have enough development into the slab. Okay, or yeah, into the slab. So I'll come here right now and then lap it by 1828 and enter. Okay, that's fine. And then come here right now and then click on this first and then type 100, enter, and then go again right now again and type again 1828. Okay, enter. Okay, that's fine. And now come here right now and then move this to get my cover, because this reinforcement is directly at the face of this concrete. So I'll go here right now and then move it back by 25 to keep my cover reinforcement, and type CR, enter, and then turn this off right now. Okay, that's fine. So right now we will now show how this top bar is running. Okay, so this top bar, so right now go here right now, let's slab core again, slab core, which is here, and then come here right now, click on this right now. This top slab is running from this very point to this very point here, where the cantilever stops. So cantilever stops directly here. Okay, this line here, cantilever. This is the cantilever region. You can see there right now. So this bar is running from this point to this very point. So I'll go here right now again and copy this again right now, CP or CO, and then copy this right now and then keep this here, and then move my cover downward. Come here and move cover downward by 25. Okay, and then type CR, trim, and trim this off just now. Okay, and then come here again right now, copy this right now, and then copy this here, and then copy this inside here. Now since this place is inside slab, there's no need for you to take off cover. You can see there right now, only take off cover when it is at the edge of the beam. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now this is fine. So I'll go right now, copy this again right now, and show the bar which I am trying to point out. So I'm pointing out for this bar here. I can choose also to copy it right now and then move everything backward here to keep this a bit here. Let me just keep it here, that's fine. Okay, so right now I will now show you again how this bar here is running. This bar is running simultaneously with this top bar, because this is a bottom bar at this very end. But when it comes to this place where they have cantilever, it now become a top bar. Okay, that's fine. So right now, go here right now, L, enter, and then also call out how this bar is running. So I'll come here right now again and then click at this place here. Just trace it down and click here, and then go here right now and stop where this bar was stopping, and then click here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now I'll now copy CP or CO, copy it from here right now, and then onto this place here. Now slab detailing always look very confusing, but I'll say that you should check on most of our videos, and then you will see at least if you have watched up to 2 or 3, you must have heard me said many things, and from there you'll be able to understand how to perform this detailing. Okay, so right now, but I'll say that you should just pay attention, and then let me say, if you didn't grab it very well, wait for the next video again on slab, and from there you'll be able to know how to detail that kind of slab, because we will be using different life project and different kind of plans to perform slab detailing. Okay, that's that's fine. Okay, so right now I'll just show you this right now, as you can see right now. Okay, so this now, so right now, this bar first of all runs from this point to this point and stops here because there's a change of shape. As you can see, the shape here have changed. Here, all here was going straight, here was going straight too. But when you get to this place, there was a change. As you can see, there it says out, and then this one now picks it up from there because this bar now becomes longer because of this shape here, and then runs from here to this very point here and then stops, as you can see it here right now. So when it comes here also right now, when this bar comes to this place, it now find out that there's a cantilever that spans from this point to this point. So it has to it now has to stop here. It has to stop to this place right now. So when it stops here right now, this very one right now picked it up and then continue from this place to this very place. Now, this bar is running right now, trying to now bend from here, now finds out that there is a cantilever slab here. So it now changes to top bar. So this is a top bar. This one here is a top bar and this is a bottom bar. Now this one also runs from here to here, where the cantilever only occupies, as you can see it here. This cantilever here is, as you can see it here right now. So this one also runs the same way right now, simultaneously with the top bar. So right now, we will now begin to do the same thing here. So right now, looking at this place right now, you can almost see that this place here, this shape here is always the same thing with this shape here, as you can see it here. So right now, I'll just go ahead and copy this bar here, copy this bar for the face of this beam right now, and then go and place it here right now and copy it here. That's fine. Confirm my cover if it is the same 25. Let me see. Confirm it here. Confirm. Yes, 25, that's fine. Confirm here too, 25 also, as you can see, the 25, that's fine. Okay, so right now I will also show how this bar is running. Now this bar will run because since this shape is straight all the way down to this very point here, as you can see, this very point here. Okay, so this bar now will now run all the way from this very point here to this very point where this one stops. So I'll just trace it down, keep it here, and then go ahead and copy this right now. CP or CO can work, copy, and then go all the way down here and then paste it, and then come here and give my cover of reinforcement by moving this downward and C25, enter, and then TR trim, and then trim this off just now. Okay, and then come here again right now, and then come here CPC or CO, and then come here and then pick this up here, and then go again right now and keep this here. Okay, that's fine. And then come here right now, move my bob here, this is my colored circle here, and then take it up from here right now. Okay, and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. So we have done all the horizontal bottom bar, as you can see it right now. So we'll now go and do the top horizontal bar. So I'll come here right now again, and then come here and choose my ST, which is the Stonebridge rebar layer. Okay, and then come here and then click on this right now. And then now begin from this place. I'll come here again right now and click again from here right now. Now this bar runs all the way down from this very point here. So like I told you before again, always gauge your length of bar. Let it not be more than 12, sorry, yes, 12 meters, but always keep yourself around 11 meters, 11.5 meters. Okay, so right now I'll be going, as you can see right now, just put your eye on that blue thing running there. That is showing us the length of the bar as it's going. So right now we are at 7.5848 4833 meters. Okay, so right now I'll go here until I get at least to 11 meters. I will not stop. So right now I'm at 10.751.34. Okay, I'll go here right now again, and then let me just okay, just for this, okay, I can go and stop at 11 meters. Okay, so I'll just type right now 11 meters, 11 sorry meters, and then enter. Sorry, that's not 11 meters. Sorry, undo, Control Z. Okay, and then type 11 meters, which is 11,000. Okay, that's fine. Enter. Okay, that's fine. So this now where it stops here, as you can see there right now. So I'll now come here right now and then take up my cover by offset. Oh, enter 25. Enter cover of reinforcement, and then trim off this place first. Okay, and then click here and then enter, and then type L, enter, to now bend my bar by 100 first, 100, and then type my light plate, this is 600 already, and enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now I will now go again right now, and then I will now go again and then show how this bar is running. So this bar right now, go and change my S slab wrinkle right now from here, and then type my line, and then come here and then click on this place here. Now this bar is running all the way directly from this from this beam, as you can see it here, to this beam, as you can see it here, because there is a singular shape that they have. This place here have a singular shape, as you can see it here. So it runs from this beam to this beam, and then I can see there that this place also is showing this simply this bent up here simply means that the slab is at discontinuous end. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now I will now go and then copy my this thing here. I'll go my sample here again right now. That's why you need this sample in case in case you're confused, you can just come and check how it is being done and then copy it from there. Okay, so right now I want to now begin my horizontal. I'll come here right now, copy this right now, and then go here right now, and then go here and paste this here. Don't forget that we reduced this ball by 0.8. Yeah, so I'll scale it down by 0.8, scale down by 0.8. That's because I want to make it at least uniform. So I'll just put 0.8k down, enter. Okay, and then move it by 25 enter. Now if in case you're confused, maybe I am too fast, you want a special training, I would say you should enroll for our Ekidel mentorship class. We will train people especially on design and also detailing using three type of code, which is American code, Euro code, and also BS code. Okay, I'll press enter right now and then type TR team and then also go here and then do okay. And also that training is just for 4 weeks. It's for 4 weeks and it's very, very intensive. And we train based on your time, not based on when we give you. And at the end of everything, we also give certificates and also put in your portfolios of all the projects you've done. You will design up to 20 projects, live projects, 8-story building, 20-story building, and also we also teach all type of foundation from part foundation, pi, strip foundation, and also all that. Okay, so I'll come here right now, copy this right now. Let me just show you another tricks again. Copy this right now, and then come here and place this here, sorry, place this here, and then come here right now, type rotate RO and then enter, and then come here and then keep this here. Okay, and then come here right now, move by cover by putting your cover 25, come here 25 here and enter TR trim, and then trim this off right now and off. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we'll now go here right now, so that this bar right now is now running from this point to this point. Okay, now when this bar stops here, as you can see it here right now, okay, here when this bar right now stops here, what another bar now is meant to continue from this panel to this panel for this panel right now. So I'll go here right now and change my st bars, and then click on this place right now, and then start from here again right now, click here, and then go again right now and then click here. Okay, that's fine. And then go here right now and then take off my cover backward 25 millimeter, 25, enter, and the same thing here is again 25 also. Click here and then go back, type 25, enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, if you take that out right now, you will see that it's 25 as against 25 here. That's fine. Okay, so right now we'll now go and show our bent top bar, because there's a beam here, and bend it up 100, enter, type our lap length 600 for lap length, enter. Okay, that's fine. And then come again right now, click here, 100, enter, sorry, 100, sorry, 100, enter, come here and type our lap length 600 and enter. Okay, that's fine. And I'll go again right now and then show how this bar is running. Okay, so right now go here right now and then click on here and then choose slab wrinkle. Okay, come here right now, click here and then come here and then show how this bar is running. So as this bar goes, okay, let me just keep this, let me just pick it up from here and then move it to this place so I can be able to see it very well. Okay, keep this here. So as this bar right now, this bar here right now runs from here to here and finds a change of shape of a small panel, it has to stop here. And then this one right now picks up from the small panel here and then span from where it stops. It stops here. So I'll start on this other end of beam here and then span to this place. Trying to cross here right now, to like cross here, it now finds a cantilever slab here, which is not full, just a halfway here. So this bar also have to stop directly at this place here for the next bar to now continue, which is a straight bar. Okay, so right now go here right now and copy this right now. So copy this right now, copy this just now, and okay, let me first copy this thing first. Copy it from here right now, copy it from this point and put in here, take off our cut over 25. Okay, move 25 cover, backward, 25, cover backward, and then type TR, enter, and then clean this off. Okay, that's nice. And then go again right now, click here right now, CP, enter, or CO, enter, and then pick from this point, copy from this point, and then come here again right now and keep it here. Okay, and then move it backward by 25, which is the cover of slab, and then type 25, enter, and then type TR, enter, and then clean here off. Right, okay, that's fine. Now go and copy our colored bulbs, and then come here right now, copy it out from here, and then place it here. Okay, that's fine. So this bar right now runs from this place to this very place here. Okay, now we're again right now gonna show this one here again right now. Come here right now and click and make our ST bars active, and then come here right now and then click here and then click here. Okay, that's fine. And then come here and then just take for quad 25, 20, or just offset 25 first, 25, 25, offset, and also offset. Now to trim here off. Okay, and take it off right now, and then also trim again, trim here off, and take it off again. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we'll now show again how this bar is running, as you can see there right now. So now go again right now and click on this place. Sorry, go here right for activate your slab ring core layer, and then click here right now, and then click at this point here and at this point here, and then come here right now, copy this right now. Okay, CO or CP, sorry, CO or CP, CP or CO can also copy. Then go, sorry, it isn't copy where. Okay, copy from here. Sorry, is it copy? Okay, that's fine. Now go and paste it here just now. Okay, and then move it by 25, which is the cover, which is to show the cover of reinforcement. Sorry, that's undo. Okay, come here right now, enter, and type 25, 25, that's fine, enter, and TR to trim it off, and then that's fine. And then come again for this other direction also, and then copy this right now. C or CP can work, and then go all the way down here and then keep this here. Okay, and then come here right now, select it entirely, and then move by 25, come here 25, that's fine, TR, okay, enter, and then come here. Okay, now go here right now and copy this right now, copy this from here, C or CP can work, and then come here, and then place this here. Okay, so now this bar right now, when these bars right now run from all the way from this point of beam to this point of beam, because they have the same shape here. Now trying to pass this shape, it now finds that there is a different smaller panel here. It now have to stop on this very point here. Now another bar again now continue, which will fit into this panel, continuous bend and bend, and then run from this very point here to this very point, to this very point, now stops because there's a change of shape of cantilever which is here, and this bar and this place is doesn't have anything, so it has to stop here, and then this bar right now continue. Now since this is not our bottom bar for the cantilever area only, and this is our top bar cantilever. So since this is a bottom bar cantilever, since this is not carrying anything, what is carrying this cantilever load is this top bar here. So this is just to this is just the cantilever rebar distribution, as you can see there right now. Okay, so right now we are done with this one right now. Okay, so we will now have to now go and show a lapping for this, because this bar is already at 11 meters, as you can see there. So we now can complete this bar here right now. So I'll go here right now again and type ST bar, make it active, and type L enter or L enter, and now come here right now, and then I can move this one back, this text, this everything here backward here, and keep this here, that's fine, and put my my reinforcement line from here, pick it from here right now, and then keep this. Okay, so I'll first of all keep it here first and make it here. Okay, that's fine, you can see that. Then I'll now give my lap length of 600 first, 600 here, using the rule of the code. Okay, and then move it near to the reinforcement first. Okay, and then come here right now, and then come here and type this line, enter, and then come here and put my 100 first, enter, 600 outward, enter, and then move it right now to give my cover of reinforcement, because it's shown directly at the beam surface. Okay, 25 millimeter, enter, TR, enter, and then trim it off. Okay, that's fine. So right now you can now see that right now. Okay, so right now I'll now also show how this bar is running, which is the same thing as this bar is running too. So come here right now and copy this bar, copy this line as it's running, because the same thing. Come here right now and then paste this here, and then go and copy this bulb here, as you can see there right now. Copy this bulb here, and then come here again and put this here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now you you have not seen how we have placed all our bottom bars. You can see there right now for this slab detailing. Okay, so right now I will now also go here right now and then go and click activate STB dimension. Okay, dimension, and then come here right now and dimension this lapping here. Okay, and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. Let me just move this backward here. Okay, let me just keep this. Let me just move it again here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so we have not dimension this lapping here. You can see that I can take the backward here a bit. Okay, and then come here again right now. I can also come here just now. Come here just now. Okay, and type okay, alternate X. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, type lab there. Okay, I can also go here right now and copy this out first. Sorry, copy this out here and then delete this here. Sorry, explode it. Take this off entirely. Take this off also and type here lab. Okay, type here lab. Okay, lap. Okay, and also now the reason why I'm doing this without looking at the sample which you have is because I have used this template a lot. So if you look at what you have here right now, this is what you're meant to do. You can see that once you show that there's a lap, you are meant to show it. As you can see the samples which you have here before this time. You can see the sample which you have here. As you can see, this one is okay, and this is also another one again, sample for your slab detailing. As you can see there right now, also this one here also. So once you show your slab detailing, you are meant to show this thing here. As you can see there, show the lap, dimension the lap, and then show it. As you can see there right now. Okay, that's fine. So right now we will now go over to where we are before right now, which is on this place here. Okay, that's fine. So right now we are here right now, and then I have showed my lap length here and showed the lap and show that this is a lap. As you can see there. Okay, so right now we will now begin to now go and put our top bars. As you can see that we are done with our bottom bars. As you can see there right now. So this is how to put our bottom bars. Okay, let me just move this one backward a bit, just a bit, slight a bit, and keep it here. Okay, so you have not seen how we have put our bottom bars. As you can see there right now. So to put our top bars right now, top bars are mainly put at anywhere you have continuous beams. You put your top bars at continuous beams area. So right now I'm going to activate my top bar layer. Okay, XTB bars top, as you can see there right now, and then go and click on enter, and then I'll just first of all show my line just now first like this, but there is a calculation for this top bar which I'll show you just now. So okay, let me just take it off first right now. So since it enter, so since we have a cantilever, since we have a continuous beam here, top bars are always placed where you have continuous beam. So since we have a continuous beam here, this is one pan, this is one beam, this is one span, and this is another span again. As you can see, this is another span again. So since we have these two span, this two span, and this one also, this is now a continuous beam. So this place now, requires a top bar. So right now, to do that right now, top bars simply means that at least 25% of the length of this panel should occupy by a top bar. So right now, if we check this panel length from the midpoint, from center to center of this panel, this gives us what? This gives us 4686. Okay, so right now I'll now go here right now and then type calculator QC, enter, and then divide, say 4686 multiplied by 0.25, which is simply means 25% of the reinforcement or of the span area. Okay, as I'll go here right now, click equal to, that gives me 1171. So I'll just say approximately 1172 length, where length where the top bar is now meant to occupy. So right now I'll come here right now and say enter, and I'll come here and trace from the middle here, and type this place here and type the value 1172. Yes, that was what we got, and press enter. Okay, so this now becomes my top bar, which is my main top bar. This now becomes, I will now take this off here right now. So this now become my main top bar right now. So I'll come here again right now and then show this dimension here. I'll go here, activate my STB, STB dimension, and then come here right now, dimension it from here to here, as you can see it here, and then keep this here. Because from our sample here, you can see that that all our top bars are being dimensioned, so that it will be able for them to know where they will stop in their top bar, or the length of their top bar. Okay, which I'll also show you on the bar bending schedule later. Okay, so right now you can now see what we have just done right now. You can see it right now. So right now we also do the same thing here. So come here first of all, dimension and check the length of this span from here to here first of all. Okay, this gives me let me just bring it down here. This gives me 4439. Okay, so right now I'll just do calculator right now and take the 25% of that value. Okay, so top bar, you have to place your main top bar 25% of the span. Okay, so right now I'll have to check this right now and say 4439 multiplied by 0.25 and equals to, that gives me 110. I'll just say 1100, which is 101. Sorry, I'll just say 11. I would have to apply to this now becomes one, right? Okay, so I'll just say 1111. Okay, that's fine. So I'll come here right now and then come here and then delete this right now, and then enter and type this place right now. We have, sorry, choose our layer, STB top bar layer, and then come here, enter, and come here right now and then type here 11010. Okay, sorry, it was 9. Okay, that's fine. So right now onto is 1111. Okay, that's fine. So just to avoid all these things in tape, I'll just take 1115. Okay, that's fine. To be able to measure it on tape very, very fast. So I'll come here right now and then take this right now dimension here also from this point right now to this very point here, and then come here and keep this here. Okay, that's fine. I'll do match properties right now, MA, match this right now to this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we have gotten this just now, so I can choose to move this one a bit to this place here, and keep it here, or let me just keep it here. No, yeah, it's okay. So this now become our top bar for this beam, which will span. I'll now show you how it will span right now. It will span all the way down from, let me do the line from this point here. It spans from the to at the length of that beam. So this beam starts from here to the very end here. So that's how it will span also. So it will span all the way down for that as it is. Let me just carry down a bit and then come here right now. Copy this right now. Copy this a bit and then come here and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. Let me just increase, carry this back frontward. Okay, that's fine. And then it is, I will now show the arrows of how it is being run. Okay, how it is running. Okay, so I'll come here right now and then click here and take off, sorry, click here first and take off my cover 25 mm. Okay, the reason why I'm wasting time in this slab is because I am trying to explain. Else I would have been done since I'm now go for printing. Okay, so I'll just take it off it. That's fine. And then come again right now. There may be some things. There are some things which I might not say because I'm trying to make this video duration very, 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 very short. That's why we also encourage you guys, if when you have worked a lot and you have money, I would say you should just enroll for our training. We will train you special and tell you all the guiding principles and the principles involved. Here is Ekidel channel, and we are specialized in training people in structural design and also civil designs. Okay, so right now type 25 again right now for cover and then enter. So I will urge you and I will encourage you to subscribe for that or enroll for that training. Okay, so right now you can see that this dimension is trying to convert with this, so I can just use break here, BR break, and break from this point right now, just from this point here to this very point. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we have now shown how this bar is running, so we will now go again right now. This is the next top bar again, which is still have the same thing here. Let me just check again this panel again, if they are the same panel, that if they are the same length. Okay, yeah, almost the same. But let me just show you again how to get the top bar here again right now. So the top bar here again right now, you have to take the first of all, get this 25% of this span going into this place. Since we have a continuous beam here, as you can see there right now, so a top bar is meant to be here. You can see there. So right now I'll get this length now of this panel I'll get it right now. QC. I'll take this length, 25% of this span. So I'll take 0.25, which simply means 25% of 0.25. Okay, that's fine. Multiply by this length, which is 4743. Okay, equals to, that gives me 1185.75, which I can just say 1186 approximately. Okay, so I'll just go here right now, take this off, and then come here and locate this mid sorry this middle here, and come here right now, click here. Sorry, I have to activate my layer top for rebars, top rebars. Come here right now and then take 1186, enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then come here again, right now again, and then check for this other one again. I've already checked for this already. You can see there. So this one already is already showing here. So I'll just come here right now, copy this right now, and copy this down here into this place here. Okay, that's fine. And I'll come here right now and say continuous dimension dim continuous. Sorry, continuous. Sorry, dim continuous. Okay, to continue from this dimension right now, I'll just come here right now and continue from here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Then I can choose to move this if it's trying to complete it with what I have. Move this off from here and keep this one here. That's fine. And then I can now go right now and then copy this again just now. Copy this only. Copy this right now. COCP, enter, and then come here and then keep this here. Okay, now copy the bulb here and then show how this top bar is also running, as you can see there right now. Place this here. Okay, and then come here right now and type BR, because here it's trying to overlap with this text. I'll come here right now, remove it a bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now you have not seen that this top bar is also running here. So right now I'll also show this one is not a continuous beam, so there is no need to put a top bar here, and also no top bar here because this is an outer one. Okay, and then okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Everything here is okay right now. So right now, this is now our main top bar reinforcement. Now we are trying to now begin to show the top bar distribution, of which I don't used to show it because it makes my work very dirty. So, but I used to factor the value of the of of that reinforcement inside my bill of material, so that they will not be able to miss it during construction. Okay, so right now you can first of all start again first. This now becomes this one here right now. This one now becomes my main reinforcement for the button, because if we check the both length right now from this to this here, this is 3274, and from this to this here, sorry, from this right now, from this to this right now, this is 4. So since this is 4, since the vertical here is 4 and this is 3 point something, this one right now becomes my main reinforcement. I don't know if you get me. So this is now my main button reinforcement, and this is now my this is now my button distribution bar, as you can see there. Okay, so the same thing right now for this top one here right now. This one becomes my main top reinforcement. So which we run from this point to this very point here. So I'm meant to also show my top bar distribution, which we run horizontally from here to here. So right now, for me to show that right now, using I'll show it right now using my using a line. So I'll come here right again right now, top bar distribution. I'll click here right now, and then it is not bending anywhere. It is always kept straight. So right now I'll come here right now and show it from here to this very place here, because it will run all the way down as this bar is also running. So I'll show you right now, and then come here and then go to this place and then choose my slab ring core line. from here, which I will now show that it is running from all the way down from this very point here to this very point here where this bar stops. Also, okay. And then I'll now come here right now, copy this bar right now, COCP, enter, and then copy it right now from the point of here, and then come here to keep it here, and then come here right now to copy this bar right now, and then sorry, this on that this arrow direction line symbol, and then come here again and copy this one here. Okay, sorry, copy this one here right again, and then copy it from here again right now, come here and place this here. Okay, so you can now see that this, let me, I can, okay, that's fine, I can just leave it here, or take it, let me see, inward, if we, okay, to keep it inward anywhere I put it, it's still fine. Enter, and then move. Okay, I can choose to keep it, no, let me just keep it here. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. So this now becomes my main top reinforcement, and this now becomes my top two, which is T2, which is the top bar distribution, and this is a top bar main. Okay, so right now again here also that thing also happens here again. I'll just copy this one down again because it's still the same shape of drawing I can see there right now, and then come here again right now again and keep this here. Okay, and then also this also runs all the way down from this very point here. Let me just trace right now, make a trace. So you make a trace, okay, from here to a trace again from here. Okay, that's fine. So once again right now, copy this right now again to show how it is running, and then keep this here first. Okay, and then go, okay, and then go and copy my this thing here, copy from here, okay, and then come here and place this here. That's fine. And then go again and copy from here again, copy, okay, copy from here and come and place this here. Okay, it's trying to collide with this line, so I'll just move this two circle and this line right now inward a bit and keep this here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So you can now see that this now becomes our top bar main, and this is now our top bar distribution. Okay, so, and if you check, you can see that the line type are different. You can see that this is a dash line, hidden line, and this is a continuous line, which is bold. Okay, so right now it's now left with Dominant now show you the like the call out, which is just like this, the call out like this. Okay, so I will now need to call out these bars out right now. So what is left right now is to call out the bars and then draw a section. So let me just call out one bar first, but this call out bar is meant to be for part two, but let me just call it out first for you to see. This thing trying to hide this one. Let me try to move it back out inward over here. Let me see here. Okay, here, yes, here it's trying to be there. Okay, that's fine. So I will now begin to call out my bar right now, still making your slab ring call out active layer, and then come here right now and then begin to call out these bars right now. So I'll begin to call out from this very one here, or okay, yeah, let me call out from this very, this one doesn't have okay, yeah, it has. So I can choose to call out from this very one here. Let me bring this thing downward. I don't know why, I don't like why it is here. So I'll carry it downward here right now, and then call it out from this very point here right now. Call it out from here just now again right now. Call out from here to call out from this very point here. Call out from here right now to this very point here and keep this here first, okay? And then go and copy what is here right now. What is here? Always check on your design data. Check your spacing and your size of your reinforcement on your design data. Okay, so you don't just go and use the spacing that is here at the seat. No, don't use it. Check what you have on your design data. Okay, what I mean by design data is that for your like on your reports, for this project, this spacing of reinforcement is 175. So I'll put there 175 as my bar spacing, 175. You can see that. But the sample that was here was 200. So always check on your design report and check your own spacing. Spacing here is 175. So I'll come here, I'll call here 01, which is the bar mark 01. 01, and then the size of my reinforcement is still 12, and I am still using T as my bar notation. So again right now, and this is also a bottom bar, as you can see there, but this is now B, So this is now B2 because this is the main bottom reinforcement as you can see there, and this is the this is now the bottom bar and bottom bar distribution. So this now becomes my B1 because this is, sorry, this is B2 because this is the bottom bar distribution. So I'll come here and call it B2, why the main becomes B1. Okay, so right now come here right now to now calculate what is my bottom bar and my length of bar here. Okay, now, first of all, again, right, there is something that is meant to be done here first. If you can see our sample here, our sample shows that you can see there right now. All these bars shows how many bars is running inside the panel. Okay, so and it's good to like do that. Okay, so let me just show you how to do that right now from this our sample here. You can see that this sample gives us something to do right now. So I'll just come here right now, copy this right now from here. CP or CO can work, and then come here right now, and then copy from here, and then come to this place right now here to here and then paste this here and then click copy it again right now and then type rotate RO and then enter and then come here right now, click at this very point here and rotate it right now and then click here and then reduce the scale by 0.5, which by 0.85, sorry, 0.8, which we are using for this particular one. So 0.8, okay, sorry, 0.8 and then enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and I'll now move here again, right now again, backward again. Keep this here first of all. Keep it here, and then take my cover of reinforcement backward by 25 cover, 25. Okay, I'll move this again first of all to the end first, to the end here. Okay, and move it then backward again right by 25, which is the cover of concrete. 25, enter. Now on here right now, I will now go here and then come here and then measure from this point of cover to this point of cover, which is the clear distance of our reinforcement where they will place the reinforcement. This gives me 3532. I'll go here right now, QC, enter, and type 3532 and divide by my spacing. Sorry, 3532 divided by the spacing which I have here, which is 175. So I'll come here right now and say 175 and I'll press enter, which gives me 20. So always add one. So once you get a value, always add one, which is now 21. Okay, so always add one. Okay, because this gives me 20.1. Okay, so right now I'll just come out here right now and then come here and copy one of these barriers here. Okay, let me just take this one here, CP, enter, and then come here and then come here and then put it here. So since we have this one here to be 20, so no, sorry, 21, change right now to 21 to 21. As you can see 21 here, enter, and then check here again right now and then check here again right now from this point here, from here to here, and then this gives us a 2994. Okay, so the QC, enter, calculator, and 2994 divided by 175, which is our spacing of reinforcement, and say enter. That gives us 17.1, which is approximately 18. So I'll go right now, plus, and then put this bar here from this point to this point here, and then come here right now and then type this here. So since we already added one here already, since we already added one to this bar, which was 20, now make it to be 21 here, that we got 17.1. We'll just leave it at 17. Okay, and then come here right now and type just 17 here, 17, and just click outside here. Okay, that's fine. So right now we will now add these two bars together, so to 21 plus 17. So what this means that this bar, what is contained on this panel from here to here is 21 bars, and from here to here is 17 bars. Okay, so right now we will now add it up together, which says that 21 right now plus 17, which is here 17, that gives us 31, sorry, 38. Okay, so right now this full bar that is running from this point to this very point here is 38 number. So now go here right now and put in here 38 number here, 38 number. That's fine. And then we can just to bring it down a bit back here a bit. Okay, sorry, down a bit. Sorry, okay, down a bit here, and then keep this here. That's fine. So you are now seeing how we have done this one just now. Okay, so in my next class, which will be on the part 2, I will show you again how to like how to call out all these bars out, and then we will also draw our section just here. So first of all, you have seen how we are able to now perform our slab detailing, where we'll place our bottom bar and our top bar, and also call out our first line here. And I'll show you the principle also how to put your main top reinforcement, as you can see there, and also your top bar distribution. So if we not even if we want to put this now to our sheet right now, we'll just go here right now and then create a sheet for come here right now and then make a copy of this one already existing from this template. Get a copy from this place, a copy from this place, and they say okay, and then come here. We did this is not a copy here, so we can now take it up inside here right now. Take it inside here. Let me just hold on for it to load up right now. Okay, okay, take it in first here, and then sorry, take it backward here, back backward. Okay, now this is not the new one which you have changed. So right now I click here and then change this right now to slab detailing. Okay, the detailing, that's fine. So right now, and click anywhere outside, and then click inside this box right now. Double click inside that place. Double click there, and then zoom in. Sorry, zoom out to now locate that slab which you have done, but not yet done because we have not done the section and also call out all these bars out. Okay. So right now we will now go here right now and then type our scale. We want to let's now choose a scale that will make this drawing to be fit into this place right now. So now type a scale of let me say Z, enter 1 all over, let me say 75 SP, enter. No, that's too small. So let's use K 50. Let's see. 1 to 50. So let's say Z, enter 1 all over 50 SP, enter. Okay, no, this looks too big. So first of all, always click inside this place first to be able to zoom. Once you're able to zoom here, then you can now begin to apply your scale. Let's use Z, enter 1 is to 60, 1 all over 60 SP, enter. Okay, now this looks perfectly okay for this place here. We will have to place our section here for the slab right now. So right now, seeing this case, okay, 1 is to 60, I'm gonna go here right now and click outside here, empty. Okay, and this border line, this paper size is A3 paper size. So right now, we're gonna come here right now and then put our scale, which is 1 to 60 that we have used. 1 is to 60, sorry, 1 is to 60. Okay, and then change this place right now to change it to slab detailing. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Detailing. Okay, that's fine. So right now you can now see that we have put our slab here. You can now see also that this one right now that shows like this is our bottom bar, which is the main reinforcing bottom bar, and this is the bottom bar distribution, which I've shown to be B2. And now next video I will also call out all these bars and then cut a section to show you this slab section. And also you have also seen that the top bar is different, and also this is the main top bar and this is the top bar distribution. So you can now see how this template is good, which is Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now this is just one thing. You will enjoy this template more if you're doing for a raft foundation design and also for a pipe foundation design. Okay, so right now we will now go again right now and then click on save first. Always save. Now I will now go back to my model view because this is we are on the layout here, layout view, okay, which is also called a paper space. So right now we allow you to save first before we can begin. Okay, okay, let's just allow you to save because it's trying to load up. Okay, for what we have just done just now. Okay, so right now we can now go here right now and click at this place here, which is the model, to for us to now log out for this particular video. Okay, so right now you have now seen how we have done this slab detailing. Okay, here we will show our bottom bar and top bar. In our next video I'll be showing you how to now we will have to now call out all these bars, and then also and then cut a section that looks like this. You have to show the section bars and all that, and also I'll also show you how to tag your bars with a bar mark. Okay, so right now we are done with this slab, almost done with this slab. In our part 2 and part 3 of this video, I will show you how to also detail your column exactly like this. Yeah, you have to show your columns as it is, like very perfect like this, and also your foundation layouts too. I will also show you how to do that also, and also your foundation section also. So we have a lot to learn here on Ekidel. So if this video finds you very, very useful, I would say that you should subscribe to our channel Ekidel, and also recommend our channel to your friends. And at the end of this video, of all this video, and then we will now show you how to compile all your drawings and how to arrange your drawings after you're done with your detailing. Okay, so you can see that you have a lot to learn here on Ekidel, and these are the things which they will not teach you in class all the days, all the number of years you spent in your school. But here on Ekidel, we have said that we are going to teach the young engineers how to do all this perfectly, and we are giving it for free here on Ekidel. And as also you can see that most of our videos are 3 hours videos, 4 hours videos, and we are giving it all for free. Okay, so thank you so much, and God bless. Now, if you want this template very well, I'll say you should click on the link down below and download this template. Okay, so thank you so much, and God bless you, and then we love you. That's fine.